Welcome, friends. And if you are using YouTube, if you are a YouTube channel creator and you want to go live on YouTube without showing your face, then in this video, I am going to tell you the method by which you can go live without showing your face. So going live is an easy way to earn this watch hours for which any YouTuber is now seeking for. How to increase the watch hour without showing your face, without going any video viral? Is it not possible at all that without going any viral video you can complete your watch hours? But Facebook Live is one of the way by which you can increase it without showing your face. In that case, what you need to have, I am going to tell you in this video. So, not wasting much of your time, the first thing, you can create any viral question from internet. Okay, you can search any viral question from internet, or you can go to your playlist. You can create a new playlist. I will show you my playlist, and you can just play that playlist on your live video. So suppose this is my YouTube channel. I will go here and okay, now playlist here. In this playlist you can just I have top rated value. Okay, so I will select it, and while I will go to live. So how I have to go to live? Just go here, turn on the plus button, and here just show live video, just turn it off, mute it, and then you can change orientation. Now here you can see that this edit icon is there. Edit it. Here you can paste any thumbnail, cracking thumbnail about the topic, your playlist, the contents about that playlist, or any viral topic, or you can show any news. Here you can edit and anything viral news, any viral topic, any topic which you select. Viral news is live, and then it must be public. Okay, then here description you can add that topics about which you are going to be live. And then the most important thing is screencast. Just screencast, it should be on. Okay, here in advanced setting, these two settings should be on. Not go back again, go live. I will again do all the things, add thumbnail, and then if you click here, upload thumbnail, if I have made any thumbnail, suppose this. Okay, save it, and then topics, any topic, here topic, and then public it, add description here, and then screencast, and then next. No, it's not made of kids. Okay, then next. It will then start now. Yes, again this screen is now on live. Okay, here you can turn it off, otherwise this will go, your face will go. Turn it off, then as soon as you will press go live, you will be live. Okay, I'm not going live. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.